Pallavi Dwara from Guwahati, Assam. So today we are going to demonstrate few basic chapter 1 knee exercises, and we have seen that knee pains are very much prominent after a certain age. So we have chosen 2 students from our school which will be demonstrating the knee exercises which can be done by arthritis or any people who are suffering from nerve issues related to the legs and the entire knee. So let us see. Come. Now both the toes should be at the same line. So warm up, you have to lift one toe vertically, pushing against the finger. Start. Continue doing it. Also start moving the hands. Now do fist hand. Increase the speed. Okay, bend your spinal cord from L4, L5 portion. Okay, fast. Again straight your spinal cord. Straight. So normally we see doing arthritis exercise or knee exercises manually, but if we take a Chuni, it helps in a greater extension, and the exercises are done in a much better way if we use the Chuni, and if we take the support of a Chuni, the stretches are done in a more perfect position. So here are the basic knee or arthritis pain exercises which I have designed, and hope all of you will like and continue doing it at your home. So start first 1, next 2, again start. Now stretch it. So what you see, this leg will be pointed, the other leg you have to stretch it, the other leg should be completely pointed and it should be straight from the knee side. So what you see, complete pull of this portion which you cannot do using your own hands. You have to use a Chuni for that. If you use a Chuni, you will get a much better extension at this portion, that is below your kneecap, and this is a very good knee pain or arthritis exercise. Next, the same thing goes to the left side. You can continue doing for the left side also. Next is the side exercise. The entire body should be straight. Up 1, again 2. Hold it. So what you see, a complete pull and this portion of the legs. So this is a very good treatment for arthritis patient. So kindly try it at home. It will really provide you relief after you do with the warm-up exercises. And the same thing goes for the other part also. So next what you have to do, you have to rest your heels at the pelvic area, and one leg will be straight, completely perpendicular to the wall. So you are tying a Chuni beneath the center of your leg, holding from your hands. Now what you have to do, start doing 1. Now your head should be at the center of the 2 Chuni. Again straight. Again center. Straight. Again center. So what you see, a complete pull at this portion, and also your legs are pointed. So it's a complete stress on the entire leg, and also a little bit of stretch at the L4 and L5 portion of the spinal cord. But the spinal cord is straight, only it is bent from the L4 L5 portion. Now you are doing the 4th exercise, so you have to continue the same position. So what you have to do, you have to pull and also push at the same time. Pulling from your hands and pushing from your legs. Again I repeat, you have to pull and push from the same time. Pulling from your hands and pushing from your legs. So it provides a vibration on the nerves of the surrounding area of the knee, and it's very good for the arthritis patient and also for minor pain which is very much prominent nowadays, very much prominent in the movement. So let us start doing. Push your leg and pull it. Pull, relax. Again pull and push. Relax. Continue doing it. Start. You can hold this position for 10 seconds. But don't forget to apply 2 weight forces. There is the pull and the push. So this comes to the end of our today's exercises. So there are a few exercises which I have demonstrated, and I hope you guys like it and surely try it. And please give us your feedback to our Facebook Facebook page, and also you can contact us on the given number. And hope you guys like it, and we'll come back soon with our new exercises of chapter 2, and kindly stay.